A plot of ground, usually near a house, where flowers, shrubs, vegetables, fruits, or herbs are cultivated. A piece of ground or other space commonly with ornamental plants, trees, etc., used as a park or other public recreation area, a public garden. A garden is a planned space, usually outdoors, set aside for the display, cultivation, or enjoyment of plants or other forms of nature, as an ideal setting for social or solitary human life. A garden is a planned space, usually outdoors, set aside for the cultivation, display, and enjoyment of plants and other forms of nature. Being outside increases your exposures to vitamin D and the weight bearing exercise for gardening is good for bones and the heart. One study even found the gardening decreased your risk of dementia. A piece of land usually near a home where flowers and other plants are grown. We have a vegetable garden. Gardens are also public places where flowers, trees, and other plants are grown for people to enjoy. A plot of ground where herbs, fruits, flowers, or vegetables are cultivated. A rich, well cultivated region. A container such as a window box planted with usually a variety of small plants. My garden contains different type of plants. For instance, it has difficult flowers such as roses, sunflowers, lilies, daisies. These flowers are the easiest to grow and flourish the environment with their beautiful smells. Moreover, the colors of these flowers make a garden look beautiful. A garden is an organized plot of land and that is set aside for growing new plants, shrubs, herbs, flowers, fruits, trees, etc. A garden can consist of natural as well as artificial materials. For instance, we can find artificial grass in some gardens. Here we are going to discuss my garden essay for class kid 2. Presenting my garden essay in English for class 2 kid that will help them to write an essay on this interesting topic. A garden is an organized plot of land that is set aside for growing new plants, shrubs, herbs, flowers, fruit trees, etc. A garden can consist of natural as well as artificial materials. For instance, we can find artificial grass in some gardens. Here we are going to discuss my garden essay for class 2 kids. Gardening is pursued by many people as their hobby. It can give them peace and a way to connect to nature. Growing various type of flowers, vegetable plants, trees, etc. is an activity that can be good for mental and physical health. You can eat fresh fruits and vegetables in your own garden. Gardens are a very crucial part of the house. They provide fresh air and a natural environment. They add up to the beauty of homes. The blue given lines on my garden essay will aid kids in forming out sentences about their gardens. You can also download this essay on My Garden for Class 2 in any colorful PDF format. Their name, the garden, is intended as a metaphor for their music growing and evolving. They began playing shows and soon, still signed to their previous band's label, Burger Records released their debut self-titled EP in May 2012 on cassettes, followed by Everything is Perfect in December. It makes you look forward to tomorrow and going out for a stroll first thing in the morning to see that has changed from the day before. Gardens have a way of growing your practice. Nothing in garden happens overnight and there are no instant results. Gardens fulfill a wide assortment of purpose, notably the production of aesthetically pleasing areas, medicines, cosmetics, dyes, foods, poisons, wildlife habitats, and saleable goods.